Good morning, student. I am Priyanka. Today I am going to teach you second part of pronoun. Today I will explain you about the demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. I have already explained you about the personal pronoun and pronoun. Here I have explained you in my previous video about the pronoun and personal pronoun. Today now I am going to explain you about the demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Now see, first, demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a use to point out the object or objects which it refers to. So how to point out? See, this is my pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. This is a mango tree. This is a mango tree. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. That is an apple tree. These are mango trees. Those are apple trees. So this, these, that, those are demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now see, next, demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. I have already explained you about the demonstrative adjective in my video, that demonstrative adjectives that qualify noun or pronoun to point out person or thing. Okay. Here we will see the difference between a demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. The words this, that, these and those can be used both as a demonstrative pronoun and as a demonstrative adjectives. This is my book. Here this stands for book. So that's why this is called demonstrative pronoun. This book is mine. Here this qualifies book. So when this qualifies book, it means it is a demonstrative adjective. These are woolen gloves. These stands for gloves. So these are used as a demonstrative pronoun. These gloves are woolen. So these qualify gloves. So these is a word which is used as an adjective. Okay. Now see, we should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before the noun. It's very simple for you if you remember these things, that this adjective, in adjective what is happening? Adjective is usually placed just before a noun. Here noun, see, this is no noun. We will not use after this noun. It's a verb. Is a helping verb. This book, so it means it is an adjective because after this we use book. So this is called demonstrative adjectives. These are is a helping verb. These gloves is a noun. Before noun, what we use these. So it is called adjectives, demonstrative adjectives. A pronoun stands or replaces a noun. Okay. Now see, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means, you know about it, that interrogative means to ask questions. Okay. So an interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. What is your name? Who is absent today? Which is your house? So here these words are used in interrogative pronoun. Okay. Now see, interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. We have to know about the difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. We have already read about the adjectives, but once again we have to differentiate these things. Words like what and which can be used both as an interrogative pronoun and as an interrogative adjectives. but there is difference. What is your name? After what we are not using noun, so this is called pronoun, interrogative pronoun. What plan? So after what noun is there, so this is called adjectives. Which is a helping verb, so this is called pronoun. Which train is a noun, so this is called adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Okay. Now reflexive pronoun like myself, yourself, herself, when used as the receiver means to take, the person who receiver of an action are called reflexive pronoun. I blamed myself. I is a receiver, that we use myself instead of I. We use I blamed myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now see next. A reflexive pronoun can also be the object of a preposition. Here it is a preposition, so herself is also a reflexive pronoun. My aunt lives by herself, so herself is a reflexive pronoun. Receiver, aunt is a receiver of an action. Singular, see first person, second person, third person, I, you, he, she, it. In reflexive pronoun we will use like this: I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, and they, themselves. So these are personal pronoun, plural form, singular form. Now that's all for today. If you have any problem, you can ask. You have to do second exercise or three exercise today. That's all. Bye.